everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do just a very simple happy flower on this green gloss bottle using 4 Amagic round brushes, and I do put the links down below as affiliate links if you want to purchase through them. I am using a 6 and 8, a 14 and a 16, a number 10 Deerfoot Stippler, and my fine liner by Westonia. Paints I'm using are all FolkArt paints, School Bus Yellow, Thicket, Baby Pink, Tea Berry, Magenta, Fresh Foliage, and Teddy Bear Brown. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the number 16 round brush. I'm going to place it into the tea berry. That's my first layer. Going to come in here on the bottle. This is going to be a single flower, and I'm pulling it towards the center. And I'll just keep doing it and going around. Now you can do like I've showed you in the past. If you want to do like the clock kind of style, you can do that, where you place them in certain spots and then you add in, or fill in I should say, appropriately. That's up to you. I'm just going to do it this way, but you can do it either way. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell before you leave. Also, my designs are meant to be very simple designs, so if you're watching this and you're thinking, oh, these are just too easy, they're meant to be. I want to encourage people to have something to do to help with stress and to be creative. Alright, going in with my number 14, soaking it up with the magenta, and then just going around, leaving a little bit of the bottom layer exposed. When you're doing this, if you feel like you need to add more layer to your painted part, as far as additional paint I should say, to make it more opaque, feel free to just do that while you're painting it, or you can hit it with a heat gun, hair dryer, and continue on. I'm just going to keep going with this because I just use this bottle for my painting videos and I wash it off. Alright, next one, taking my 8, filling it up with paint, pulling it towards the center, and I'm making it a little bit shorter. Now if you want, you can go through and do this and create different lengths in your petals. They don't have to be the same as you're going around. Definitely don't have to be the same. And going like this. Like I said, when you do a nice coat of paint, that actually helps you create a very design that's going to be tough to scratch. It'll adhere, it'll stand up better to use. Alright, so then I'm taking my fine liner, I'm just sticking it into my greens. You can pull it in, roll it out, pull it in, roll it out if you want to thin it out. I'm going to just do a quick little stem from the bottom. And you know I go over my stems. You can actually even use a flat brush. Use the chisel edge if you want to do that. I just like my fine liner. Alright, so I did that. Next thing I'm going to do is get the number 6 round brush, stick it into my greens, and I'm going to come here and just push down and pull towards the stem, come back, pull down and push towards the stem. Do the same over here. Again, your designs don't have to be difficult in order to be cute or pretty, however you want to term them. And you can just keep going over it just to add color to it, or keep working on the shape if you want it to be shaped a little bit differently. That's up to you. But very simple. And again, this flower kind of makes me feel happy. I don't know if that makes sense, but there's certain designs, certain colors that can make you feel that way. and this makes me feel happy. So I'm going to take my liner brush and just come into the stem and pull my little parts into the flower, or the, not flowers, but the leaves to attach them. Very simple. Then I'm going to come in here with my dear foot stippler, and it's angled. Put the top into the school bus yellow, the back into the teddy bear brown, tap it a little bit. Now, I did not hit this with a heat gun or hair dryer, so it's still wet. That means you can risk pulling up the colors. If you don't want to do that, then give it some dry time, hit it with the heat gun, hair dryer, and then do this part. I'm not worried about it, so you can do a simple dab here to put in a center, or you can work on it more knowing that it's going to pull up some of the underneath color, which is fine. Not a big deal. But with it being like this, it's a little hard to actually get it to look a certain way. So just do what you can. You know, I like it kind of like this anyways, personally. But and you can also add dots if you want. I'm not going to on this design, but I could. But I'm choosing just to do this part like that. All right, and you can come around here if you want. There you have it. Easy peasy, and it's cute. All right, if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this on your social network, I would greatly appreciate it. Just hit the button underneath that says share. It'll give you the options of where you can share it, and you'll be good to go. All right, until the next time, thanks so much for stopping by. Please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.